Thanks, Antonia. To a story now that has left many in the region shocked and worried. Authorities in Trinidad and Tobago have launched an investigation after 56 bodies, mostly of children, were found dumped at a cemetery. According to the police, the bodies of 50 infants were recovered, as well as those of 4 adult males and 2 adult females. At least one of the adult women and 1 adult male showed signs of having undergone a post-mortem examination. All the adults had identification tags similar to what is often used at morgues. Officials say preliminary indications suggest this may be a case involving the unlawful disposal of unclaimed corpses. In the meantime, an investigation has been launched into the death of a woman police corporal and the disappearance of firearms from the San Fernando Municipal Police Station in Trinidad on Sunday. The corporal died from a gunshot wound to the neck. The police say 62 firearms and over 4,000 rounds of ammunition are missing. Now, still ahead in primetime news, the business review and news from overseas. We'll be right back.